Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Informative Folder. Today we are diving into the teeny yet interesting world of ants. These little insects are much more complex and interesting than you might think. Let's get started.
Did you know that ants can form super colonies? One of the largest ever discovered, over 3,700 millions across Europe. This mega colony consists of millions of nests and billions of ants, all working together harmoniously. Ants are incredibly strong. They can carry objects that are 10 to 50 times their own body weight. Imagine being able to lift a car that's the equivalent for us humans. Ants communicate using chemicals called pheromones. They leave scent trails to guide other ants to food sources or alter them to danger. Their communication system is complex and highly efficient. Some ants are natural farmers, leafcutter ants. For instance, cut leaves and bring them back to their colonies to cultivate fungi, which they can eat. This is one of the earliest forms of agriculture known to science. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, each with unique behavior and characteristics. From the built nut known its painful sting, to the weaver ants that build nests out of leaves, the diversity is outstanding. Queen ants can live for decades, which is incredibly long compared to the few months or year that workers ants live. The queen's main job is to lay eggs and she can produce millions over her lifetime. Ants live in highly organized society with a clear division of labor. There are workers, soldiers and queens, each with specific role that contribute to the colony's success. Their social structure is one of the most complex in the insects world. Ants play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help aerate the soil, disperse seeds, and recycle nutrients. Without ants, many ecosystems would struggle to function probably. Ants can be quite territorial and often engage in wars with rival colonies. These battles can be fierce with thousands of ants on each side. The winning colony usually takes over the territory and resources of the defeated one. Scientists study ants to improve technology. Their efficient algorithms for foraging and buildings have inspired advancement in robotic, networking, and even logistics.
There you have it, some incredible facts about ants that show just how amazing these little creatures are. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more interesting facts about the natural world. Thanks for watching.